Hello, South Caldwell. It is now time to finish up our registration process. Students, you have gotten your registration sheets back today in your third period class. Caldwell Connect students, you will get yours through email this week. And we're going to enter those into PowerSchool this week to make our registration final. You can get to PowerSchool by going to the South Caldwell webpage, clicking on the student link, then you click on links, and then you will click on PowerSchool. Once you click on PowerSchool, just scroll to the bottom and sign in. Do the student sign in at the bottom using the same username and password that you use to check your grades. Once you are logged into your PowerSchool account, you will click on the class registration button on the left-hand side. Once you click on the class registration button, the portal opens. You can see we have lots of buckets here. You will enter your English class into the English bucket by clicking on the pencil on the right-hand side. Lots of classes pop up. Be sure to choose the one that is for you by clicking on the box on the left-hand side. If you accidentally click on the wrong one, just unclick it. Once you finish, you will be clicking the OK button in the bottom right-hand corner, but please note if you don't find the class that you need, there are multiple pages in these buckets, and you can just change pages by clicking the next button. You'll enter your math into the math bucket, science into science, social studies into social studies, so forth. Please remember, if you are a student signing up for 2 math classes, that you will sign up for both classes in the same bucket. You can have more than one checked in that bucket. If you are someone who is choosing a language for next year, such as Spanish, that will go in the world language bucket, but all of your other electives will probably go into the electives button here, and you'll click that pencil just like in the other. If you are choosing some community college classes, they will go mostly in either one of these 2 buckets, Career and College Promise Transfer or Community College CTE Career and College Promise bucket. You'll just look for your classes through the pencil in those. Students will not need to put anything into the 12th OCS Students Only bucket or the Additional Request bucket. They can have blanks, and that's perfectly fine. All of you should be choosing 4 alternates. All 4 of those alternates should go into this alternate bucket here. It is very important that you all pay attention to the bottom section where it says requires between 7 and 12 credit hours. We need this to say that you are requesting 8 credit hours and requesting 4 additional credit hours. That's showing us that you're requesting 8 classes as well as 4 alternates. Some of you may have more than 8 up top. If you do, that's fine. But we definitely need no less than 8 in that bucket. Now, as you're finishing up registration, please don't forget that if you are signing up for any AP classes, that you need to turn in an AP intent form to your school counselor. If you're signing up for any community college classes, those applications are due March the 5th, so a couple of deadlines coming up. We need this portal filled out by March the 12th. So final registration will end on March the 12th to give counselors time to review them. If you have any questions, please see your school counselor. Thank you and have a great day.